Come on at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, there we go. That's the airbrushing of the mid-storm mat. As you can see, one of the tail wings came off. Wasn't glued on properly. No snapping anyway. It's in perfect condition. And the paintwork did come off quite well. Quite chuffed with that, actually. That's a better close-up view of it. It does look pretty good. There's a little bit there that's see-through. I'll have to gently touch that up. And I believe there's a spot on here on the tail, on the rudder. That'll get covered by decal anyway. But yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with that. That looks pretty good. Well, that's the Bristol Blenheim Airbrushed. The midstone mats, or matte midstone, and the earth, dark earth. And underneath, it's all blue with a bit of masking tape left. All I need to do now here is add the flaps and other details, and give it a varnish, and then apply some decals. Once I put the varnish on and the decals on, I'll start enhancing the panel lines, especially underneath. I got some good pictures off the internet to give me an idea of what to do. But yeah, it's looking brilliant. I'm really pleased with it. Excellent stuff. There's a more close up, so we can get it in focus a bit more. There we go. There we go. Take that masking tape off that I left on, so we can get a better close up. That's a bit of touch up need doing on that. Okie doke. Oh, there we go. That's the Bristol Blenheim virtually complete. Well, the paint job is complete. There's just the aerial I need to fit there. Put the decals on and put some wash on it to enhance them panel lines. Try and give you a close up as best possible. I find that canopy really awkward. Putting it in place because it's in 4 pieces and paintwork got in the way on the seams, but it's all right now. There we go. There's the underside view. So I can so there's the underside view. Obviously all that's missing is to get these panel lines enhanced with some wash. There's the top side again. Look at the tail side. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Paint job come off really well. I'm really pleased with it. There we go. It's had a coat of varnish, as you can tell as well. Well, these will adjust slightly, so I'm not going to bother. That's fixed in position. It's still gluing actually. I used micro crystal clear to fix that and the canopy in place. It sets nice and clear, but it does take a long time. It is a slow glue, or slow adhesive I should say, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm going to give it a once over and make sure I'm really happy with it. I have gone over the frame of the canopy again, because no matter which method I use, either covering it with masking tape or not, you still get it onto the clear parts and have to take it off with a cocktail stick. I've not been able to perfect that, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we'll see what a bit of wash can do to it, get the decals on, and then it's finito, finished. Excellent stuff. Well, that's the Bristol Blenheim completed. Applied the wash on the panel lines just to enhance them, give it a bit of weathered look. That is as much as I'm going to do. I think it's come off all right. Show this on the side camera. Different cameras give a different look. And the cockpit's not too bad now. Bit awkward, but there we go. Pretty place. Just need to put the aerial on or the antenna on and it's done. There you go. That's the wash I used. Vallejo model wash. I did think about using some other Vallejo model wash, but it was the wrong colour, wrong type. And all I've done is apply it with cocktail stick and then used, I don't know, a couple of dozen cotton buds. Go through them, the wife will kill me. Anyway, I hope you did like that. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you for the next one, which will probably be a Spitfire Mk2A. Hope you like that. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.